Hello guys, today I want to show you how to install the front anti-collision bumper to the Feiyue Desert Eagle, and all you need is to use 2 screws and just put this here, but I think it also needs to change this part because here is no connection to the car, so I think it can be broken if you hit something really hard, and I don't know also if I put bigger tires to the front, if the tires will just not be compatible with this front bumper. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching, and if you like, please like my movie and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.